What's up, you guys? Coming back at you.
Okay, so today I'm just going to do a fall makeup tutorial featuring my dog Chipper and possibly Harper if she jumps up on the bed too. I hope y'all can hear me. Let me know below if you watch this. Let me know if you can hear me better or if you don't like the sound. I'm trying out my microphone because when I did my background music, like I was kind of muffled out. So I went ahead and purchased a microphone and maybe y'all can hear me a little bit better. I'm so ready for fall. I don't know how y'all feel. Some people like spring, some people like summer. I am a cold weather girl. I got my little, see my little candle? It's like a cast iron skillet, like a little cast iron skillet with a little handle, you know? I like it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And let's get started. Put on my foundation. And I'm going to go show y'all a new concealer that I got. This is the Master Conceal by Maybelline. Okay, I also got some brushes from Amazon Prime. They came yesterday. The Morphe 508. I'm just like, it's just regular brush. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on that. I'm just dabbing in. So I go back to work soon. My off days are almost over and I have not been able to turn off the 100 on Netflix. Season 5 just came out. I don't know where I've been for the rest of the seasons, how I didn't know about this, but I love that show, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to blend in my concealer with my blending beauty blender. Blending, I don't know what I was going to say. Blending beauty. Definitely going to brighten up the middle of the face. I like this concealer. It's it's fair. I got it in the shade Fair, which I think is a lot of shade that they go. Now I'm going to take my air sponge. I'm going to bat it under my eye. This helps prevent creasing. Creasing. Everybody wants concealer that's set and stays in place, right? Now I'm waiting on that to set so that I can brush it off. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows while I'm waiting. I'm going to take this brush again and just clean up my eyebrows. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye.
T-shirt said Virginia is for lovers, had a Bible in his left hand.
Now that we have that, I'm going to brush this excess powder off for the contour. Sometimes I put it around my chin, but I'm not going to.
Make a friend, can't we all get along? Saw a model on a billboard, 1-800 get to know me. Wondered was she photoshopped or were her eyes really that lonely? Did she leave her hometown thinking she'd end up in LA? Did she break down in the desert and get stuck beside the highway? Get along on down the road, we got a long, long way to go.
Now that I have a nice contour going on, I'm going to put my blush. Okay, so I got so many makeup brushes. Well, eyeshadow brushes. From, you know, that. From a little backwards, little one, fluffy, for the blending. All kinds. Some of them are still in the wrapper, you know, obviously. I'm going to do like a brown with the brown regular that I usually do. And I'm going to have a little color pop somewhere. Just a little pop, not crazy, you know, looking, just a little pop. Let's just grab this fluffy one. Okay, I used it yesterday. It's just in the same color I'm using now. Let's just go in with this neutral color, my go-to color, to do some transitioning. Now, like I always do, I'm going to get a little bit darker with this one. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to go a little bit darker on the outside. Don't want a lot of that dark coming through. Very flat brush right here. Very flat brush. And go in with this color down up here.
We was falling fast, we was jumping in, blue jean halo hanging off a limb. Two American kids, just like them, every time you play, and it blew us away. Do you turn it up, do you sing along every time you hear that song, like we did?
I'm going to take that same brush. I think I'm done with the top. I think I'm going to go in a little bit darker with this by getting just a little, this same brush and just getting a little darker over here. Now that I'm done with my top, pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and do the little spread of color that I was talking about. Let's do the reddish orange right here. I'm gonna put it on my very bottom line. Now I'm just going to do some simple eyeliner. Not using the liquid today, just the pencil. Alright y'all, my eyeshadow is done. My mascara is done. Have the little hints of red in it. I'm not trying to go all out. Just taking it slow. Now I'm going to get another brush that I haven't used. Go through. Highlight my brow bone, and then right here, of course. Do a little bit on the nose. Okay, a little bit right there. Okay, so I'm super upset because I just realized that Micah took my car to work this morning, and it has my purse with my lipstick, because that's where I always keep my lipstick. So I don't have the lipstick that I wanted to wear, but I found this. I've never used it before. It's brand new. Okay, brand spanking new. So let's just see how it goes together. Okay. Whew. So apparently it's a nice pink color. To tone it down, I'm just going to use a little bit of this. I don't know if that'll actually tone it down. It might just make it more noticeable. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Pretty, you know, mid-September look. Early fall. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Expect a lot more fall looks because I love fall. I mean, my entire room literally smells like a pumpkin pie already from my candle that I just blew out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you know when I post new videos, and I'll see you next time.